And now we're going to use either a comb which has been washed and cleansed nicely, and I'm going to take a small ball, press it down like this on the broader side of the comb, and then just in this fashion just form this kalkal shape. So this is one way of doing it. Now the other way is you take a fork, and using the back of the fork again you spread it out like this, and then you roll it up vertically like this, and you get a different kind of a shape. So you can choose whatever shape you like, whatever you're comfortable making. Now this dough is very elastic and very easy to work with. And now I'll show you two types of freehand. So you just flatten it up to form a nice thin circle. The thinner the better. And then you just take the two edges this way and the two edges this way and just twirl them around, and you get this little rosette kind of a form. Now you can also make a little designer one, with a design on it like a shell. So you just press it down like that, again take it out, and then just fold it like this and like this. So you'll just get a kind of a pattern on the rosette, like a shell kind of thing. So these are the different shapes. Now the tip I'd like to give you here is make the balls really small, and make them as flat and as thin as possible, because the thinner your kalkals are, they'll fry faster, and they'll even fry to a very crunchy and a very crispy kind of consistency. If you make your kalkals very big and very fat, they tend to remain a little bit raw in the inside, because we are going to deep fry them on a low flame all the time. Don't increase your flame at all. Keep your flame very low, because what will happen if you keep it on a high flame is only the outside will get colored, golden brown, and the inside will remain raw. So keep these tips in mind. And like I said, the thinner they are, the smaller they are, the thinner they are, they tend to really crisp up faster. And now once your kalkals are nice and golden brown in color, just take them out and drain them on a kitchen towel or a kitchen napkin, and let them cool completely before you serve them or you store them. And the best way to store them is to store them in an airtight container, either a steel container or a glass container. And they have a long shelf life if you keep them in a nice cool dark place. You don't need to refrigerate them, but keeping these tips in mind, your kalkals will come out perfect. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.